Kylie Deppen from Joyful Health and Wellness, and today I'm going to show you how to make cute veggie snacks for your kindergartner. So when it comes to getting kindergartners to eat their veggies, the key is the presentation. So if you can see, I've already got one of our characters. We're going to be making Sesame Street characters. This is everybody's favorite, Elmo, made with cherry tomatoes, olives, and a few carrot sticks. And I'm going to go through and show you how to make Oscar the Grouch, okay? And all you need is a bag, either a bag or a bunch of broccoli washed and cut up. This is the easiest way. It's already done for you. Cut up and washed. And a regular 12-inch dinner plate. If you're serving a larger group, you can buy a tray, but a 12-inch plate works fine. These are 3-ounce cups. And I've used a healthy dip made from Greek yogurt and some ranch seasoning. So if you're dairy-free, you could also do like a white bean hummus, but you definitely want your dip to be white because that's going to be the eyes of Oscar. Now you're going to take 2 olives and stick them right in the center, and they can be a little crazy because Oscar's a little crazy. And then you're just going to spread your broccoli out, kind of dump it on the plate, and you can arrange it as you go, play around with it. I like to make sure the green part, the stems are down and you see more of the floret part. That makes it a little bit better. And when it comes to getting kids to eat their veggies, as long as it's something that looks fun, they're going to be interested in it. And if you can start your kids eating veggies really young, then they're always going to continue to eat them, which is great because that's where you get all your vitamins and minerals. We all need to eat more veggies. All right, so you can see, you can still continue to play around, but you can kind of see we're making Oscar here. And then we're going to do his eyebrows with the carrot sticks. Okay, let me turn this back around for 1 second. They're going to kind of point upwards. Okay. 2 on each side, and you have to play with it a little bit to get it right. And then you're going to make Oscar's mouth. You know what, I'm going to just rearrange. There we go. And you may have to rearrange just to make sure that you can get everything to kind of sit the way it's supposed to. Always has his tongue sticking out, so if you want, you can add a little cherry tomato. Let's use this part. And it's kind of like his tongue. And there you have, whoops, losing an eyebrow, how to make a cute veggie snack that your kindergartners will eat. I'm Kylie Deppen. For more healthy, simple recipes, check out my website, Joyful Health and Wellness, and thanks for watching.